All right, so one last thing that I want to go over before we can move on and start drawing, and that is going to be the Facebook group. Now, the Artist Inner Circle is a Facebook group that I created for all of my art students to go and join and be a member of, and pretty much what it is, it's for you to post all of your art there. It doesn't have to be from the course, it can be any of your art. Other students can comment on it, give you motivation, give you support. If you want critiques, you can ask for them. It's just a great group with some great energy and a bunch of other art students that are on a similar path as you. If you just need some motivation, go over and head over to the Facebook group, and there'll be a ton of friendly faces there to help you and encourage you. So in the next lecture, I'll have an article there with a link to the Facebook group so you don't have to go and search for it. And there will be a password to enter it. It's password protected because we only want students of the art courses in there, just so there's not a bunch of other people in there that don't know what it's for. It'll just turn into a big mess. One more thing, there are a set of rules that you have to follow if you want to be a member of the group. They're pretty basic, just no pornographic content, no personal stuff, no political stuff, no religious or advertisements of any sort. So the rules are posted in the next article as well, and they're posted on the Facebook group if you forget them. Take the link in the next lecture, go and head over to the Facebook group right now and sign up or request to join, and I can't wait to see you in the Artist Inner Circle.